Hey, how's it going, guys? Asad here, and you're gonna learn about find index method in Array. So, in this tutorial, we're gonna find the index of that which have provided testing function and return the satisfied conditions. So, what we're gonna do is remove all of it. Var we'll create a variable called array1, and what we're gonna do is pass bunch of numbers 2, 12, 8, 130, comma 44, and now we will pass function find first largest number. So now what we're gonna do is return element then 13. If that satisfies the condition, it's gonna so log it on a console array dot find the large of find index and inside that find the largest number. When you pass that, if it's gonna satisfy the condition, it will be returning that its index. So like it's 3, 130. If we remove the index, it will be showing 130, and when we use the index, it's for the index you want for that. This is the reason. Think about a condition when you need the index of that particular array or element. So this is what it does. So thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next tutorial.